emergency for towns and cities immediately below Wilmore Dam on the North Branch Little Connemara River. The National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for a dam break on the North Branch Little Connemara River below Wilmore Dam in southwestern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 1:09 p.m., County Dispatch reported an uncontrolled release from the Wilmore Dam causing flash flooding downstream on the North Branch Little Connemara River. This is a flash flood emergency for towns and cities immediately below Wilmore Dam on the North Branch Little Connemara River. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding from the failure of Wilmore Dam. Source: County Dispatch. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Immediate evacuation for areas downstream from the Wilmore Dam along the North Branch Little Connemara River. Listen to local authorities for further information. The nearest town downstream from the dam is Wilmore. This includes the following streams and drainages: Wildcat Run, Sandy Run, Connemara River, Laurel Run, Clapboard Run, Solomon Run, South Fork Little Connemara River, Trib. 2 Laurel Run, King Run, North Branch Little Connemara River, Spring Run, Stony Creek River, Salt Lick Run, and Little Connemara River. Flooding is occurring along the North Branch Little Connemara River. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. If you are in low-lying areas below the Wilmore Dam, you should move to higher ground immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Listen to local authorities for further. The National Weather Service